So if you clicked on this video, you're interested in homesteading, gardening, all the things. I live in LA in this Hollywood lifestyle. I'm a TV producer, creative director, graphics integrator, part of the Art Directors Guild. Like, I have a family. I'm doing all these things, all these dream worthy accomplishments, Emmy Award, all these things. And I seem to not be able to get the idea of homesteading out of my mind. Like, and if you clicked on this video, you're interested in this too. It's not just me, because it's like I go to the grocery store and I have no idea what I'm buying and where it's from. I can trust some places, but even then, it's just like, what the fuck? Like, what am I ingesting? What is in my body? What is happening? And so far, like, I keep hearing about all these different products and family members and people I know that are dying or diseased with different types of sicknesses. And it's all about food to me and stress. And I really want to get out of that. So, in this journey of going from living in LA in this rat race of what you think, I'm trying to move into homesteading and having my own farm in Malibu. And it's been a dream of mine for years, but recently, especially after having my son, I was like, bro, what is in our food? I need to get out of this race of it. Right now, I'm in my greenhouse. I live in Los Angeles, and I am doing creative directing and TV producing and other things, but I also am in school for acupuncture and Chinese medicine to become a doctor in that so I can heal people with meridians in this ancient medicine that no one seems to use in the correct ways anymore. So I want to learn that too. And I just keep having these visions of literally getting into that life. As you can see, I'm in my greenhouse. I grow a lot of things in here, but I'm also pregnant. So it's a lot of things. But I'm also pregnant. So being pregnant, it's harder for me to be outside in this hot, scorching ass sun in the summer. And it's like evening right now. And also, I've been trying to cook in my greenhouse too. You can see like some cooking supplies. But I'm just trying to like get into the vibe of that because I can see myself on this specific piece of land that I've seen already, that I love, and that I really want to do. So that's the big reason why, especially like having a family, like, when you're an adult, it's easier for you to buy things and do things and be aware of things. When you're a child, you don't know nothing about that. And I feel like things are way worse than what it was when I was a kid 30 plus years ago. So it's just like, what is happening? So this is my start journey to that. I've already got the greenhouse. I already got the green magic thumbs or fingers. I already got the senses of it. I'm very connected with the universe and God and all the things. But this YouTube series is for me to connect with getting this homestead and this farm and creating food for you and your family so that you know where it's coming from because you've seen it. So this is my video vlog about it. I actually started doing like this VHS style documentary series on my Instagram too, Live Worldwide, and people seem to resonate with it, but it's just more short form content. So follow along on the journey there. But I'm gonna upload every day on this channel, even if it's just like some video like this, me doing something in the greenhouse, me going to school, me even going to my creative directing jobs, different networks, different TV shows. Like tomorrow and Wednesday, I have to go to Netflix, like showing you that and talking about what I'm doing there. And then I'm also studying. I have to do this homework session specifically today about case studies on chi stagnation and chi deficiency and all these things that you probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but energy and how the fields of acupuncture and Chinese medicine work with that too. So yeah, this is just the day one of that. I love YouTube and I love what it kind of connects people. So every day, I'm just gonna keep posting, and hopefully, one person feels this movement that I'm on and they want to do the same thing. So, wish me luck. I need it, but then I also don't need it because the universe keeps telling me I have to do this. So, peace. I'll see y'all tomorrow.